try know wetin make this girl situation dey like this. Wetin make this man situation dey like this. Being a single mother, single father, not because, you understand? Sometimes na situation put them like that, make we dey reason am, because the thing e don dey put some for depression. On a good day, I welcome una to our channel. Na me, una sister, una friend, una girl, Vivi Breeder Concept. So today we want to talk about single motherhood. Single motherhood not be crime. To be a single mother, not be crime. But I want differentiate am. Not be the one wey put himself for that single mother wahala. One, the one wey know say the man don't get wife, can't go put him head inside, come born and they can't reject him. You go say, I be single mother. Now you put yourself for the single mother wahala. The one way be say, you know, now he using hand pursue him husband with him wahala. Either he want go waka waka for outside, or now just troublemaker I be. First way be say body they always pepper am. You know one person by inside. You want be the head of the house. That one, he be single mother. That one na crime. Na him put himself. But the one way be say situation. The situation what I mean be say maybe he dey honest with this person. The 2 day, the next thing, because maybe the person not get that time later. When he can't get, he can't leave the woman. Leave am with children. Say girl we want go. Say not be in class again, or all those things come make am be single mother. Or say maybe the person can't pay me. Or now all those ones wey be say, you know those small children waka with them waka that time. He can't born. He can't be say, I know the advice say make teenagers do those kind of things. But he can't make that kind of mistake that early stage. Maybe say in mind now, he never know wetin be relationship until say the guy go marry, and when belle enter now, the guy even talk say not be me and you, I don't know you. You can use and be say he get picky. Now those kind of people, now I do this video for. Say make una we be men, not take them like say them be outcast. Then be say now them bad pass. Once some men hear say woman don't get picky before, it be like say na the woman na spoil pass for the whole world. Sometimes na situation na put them like that, because their own mover, the one way you get maybe say you put for house, you know how many way remove, because say in keep your own as proof of the living child. It can't become say nice spoil pass. You know how many way that one throw away, your own throw away. So may we still take am easy. Now see proof say the woman will feel born. Try go close to that person, know why the relationship scatter. Why it be say who you born for, you not there with her. I know say some go talk lie for the man head though. Say na the man na cause am. And the thing still there for man. Some women go say because say the man don't born before, you not feel marry. And this man not there with his wife again, or the gas it happen. Try know wetin make this thing dey like that. Wetin make the relationship scatter. Not just judge like that. Some people not be their fault. Some women some girls where you see with speaking, not be their fault. They not want them like that. Sometimes the man not want them again. You say wetin they do where the man not want am. Na be that one where you go try find out wetin happen. The real story. Not just conclude say na wayward girl na make am get pikin for outside wedlock. Some people na a rape. So just still find out how this thing take happen. Because the stigma wey they give them for body be like say to born a crime. Once they just ask them, how are you? Fine. I like you. Do you have kids? You say yes, I have, but I'm not married. Oh, this one, oh, ah, no, no, why? Sometimes some of them are still good, are good people. And you where they take am like say na abomination. Some of una na single mother na im bring una up. You know wetin pass through. You know wetin you as a person deprive your parents from having, your mother from having, or your father, just because say he wan take care of you. You deprive am because where he wan make you happy, e make am as you now dey reject women wey don born, woman wey get pikin. As you dey reject am, say you no fit marry am, na so dey reject your mother that time. Na so dem do your father that time. So make we no take am like say because a person get pikin na be say na im spoil pass. Na try know wetin make dis girl situation dey like dis. Wetin make dis man situation dey like dis. Being a single mother, single father, not because, you understand? Sometimes na situation put them like that, make we dey reason am. Because the thing e don dey put some for depression. One video wey I watch, wey the girl just use im hand kpeme im pikin because of say she born, all friends run from am, everybody come see am like say she na outcast. Her friends, the parents of the friends no want make she go close to them again, say I may not go spoil our pikin. You know how many way your pikin they remove because say this one own come out. Abeg, no dey try treat them with love. This duty, parenthood, God do am for two partners, man and woman. See am wey one person come dey do am, e no easy. E no easy for two people to do, na one person. So make we dey get pity mind for them. Make we dey get pity mind for them. Dey try find out wetin put this person for this situation. Make we no dey just conclude say na wayward person. Especially for women side, they will take am say na wayward girl na im make am. E fit be say na very nice person, say na very responsible person. Situation come put am like that. Abeg, make we try show love to one another. E don make many of them do things. Some go just even go throw away the pikin. You will say, how you get mind to control. Now the way una go still treat am with that pikin when una see am, na im make am. You can't go born the pikin, they force am one put for inside toilet. They do evil to the child. Just maybe say e no want make people know say e get pikin. Make it for make una happy. No. We still let them know say, we know say e no good though, especially like for those teenagers, and to born outside wedlock no good. But if it still happen like that, may we still try. Forgive the person for a mistake. The one way be say you know the person. Still try draw the person for, but make the person not come go use and harm the pikin. Beg. They not keep person. Now born them born. If you be say that pikin wey born so now he go become president. Many girls who I don't see for abroad. Many wey be say they born for home. Those things made them run come on for home. Just enter road, say anyhow, make them come abroad. Because the way they can't take them like say them be outcast. You come make them for here now, they do anything just to meet up. They pay family because of that pikin. And the same family will reject them that time because the money don't they now, they will come use the pikin as the means to they collect from them. Now the same girl, now a man go ask for here now, ask and say, yeah, you don't born, you say you don't born. The man don't still wrong. The one way he suffer for home, where still they suffer, self still they pay family for the pikin head. Now still add joiner. Don't be so. Mistake. Nobody will not do mistake. Remove say some people remove their own. Just remove. We think that some people remove their own so they not get pikin now to show say they be get belle one certain time. With that time they ever marry or before. But this one, because say own day, it come be like say na him commit the worst crime. I beg. The thing too much. Our mothers, more na dey try when they make that mistake. I know they encourage say make them go dey sleep with men. Maybe say they never marry. But when that mistake happen, try forgive them. Try forgive them. Not do them like outcasts. If they made them, they harm the children or themselves. If they made some, they know they ever see you like a mother again or a father because of the way you over-treat them because of the mistake. No try. Single mother, not be crime, not be abomination. Everybody they make mistake. They not keep person. You correct them with love. Because I don't see many things for social media where the girls they do because of they won't hide pikin. Make that stigma not they say they get pikin before. I beg, may we try make this thing stop. I not say may we encourage me then they do one. May then they go outside, go they born anyhow, or may them go they sleep with men anyhow. But when the mistake happen, may we caution them, yes, but may we not carry on so long. Especially that child with them born. Sometimes they will just abandon the child for the mother. And the mother na not get. I just get where we say he never get anything. They will just abandon her. The pikin will come do the pikin how he like. Because himself won't survive. You can't say na the pikin na barrier now. Say okay, see, because of the pikin, everybody don't limit it. That pikin they at risk. Just for the sake of that innocent child we come. Maybe they try. Forgive the parents. Forgive the mother. And for men wey dey give girl belle, dey deny am, your own God dey watch you. Dey very bad. You put girl in that situation, you deny am. Stand as a man. As you dey stand do the thing, stand as a man. Na me get am. You wey you say you get am, they go kill you. The one wey come carry the belle, wey they face everybody, then they see the thing, they not kill am now. If they reject una, they reject una. Do it for your child. Just as the woman stand, do am for a pikin. Born that pikin. Come born am, come dey train am. You as a man stand. If you know say you no fit stand for your responsibility, not do. Because enough is enough. Many girls they suffer for things where una go do finish with the girls. I love you, I love you, I love you. You go do finish, you go run. The girl now will come carry the stigma. You go, they go. Tomorrow you not born as a man, you come they find, hey, I bet may they help me locate that girl where I give belle that time. That is wickedness. And the kind cause where they inside there. You can't make innocent woman self where you marry later. We don't know how you work, how the girl they even swear for you morning and night because of how you take abandon her with pikin. You can't make that one. Sometimes some no come born self. They'll define pikin. They don't know say that you will be the man. We don't commit what you call evil. Like cause. So now they beg, say I beg. May we try put this thing right. If you know say you not fit stand for woman. Because that girl now we buy that in pikin, a yarn pikin. Just buy am because say the man deny am. His sister will say go take care of her, not can take care of am again. She can't dey stranded. She can't say the only thing na to buy this pikin, make she fulfill live her life. The murderer na the man will give am that belle. Now you kill that pikin. Because if you stand with him, say yes, anything we see me will chop am. That girl no go do that thing to that pikin. I beg. The one wey give belle and the one wey be say you meet person wey e be say na single mother. Not just knack and give and like that, or because of the thing you just change character because you know say born. No, you dey give that woman wound for inside im mind. You dey give the man wound for inside mind. Man wey get pikin, because e get some men wey be say women dey leave pikin for. By the time say take am, the woman don waka. The man now go come stay, dey train the pikin. Women go dey run for am say dem no want. Especially when e be say na male child. Dem come talk say this one don get this thing. Na im go make us male child wahala. That one na another topic. So abeg, make we try. You see man with pikin, e no get wife. You see woman with pikin, e no get husband. Make we try know wetin. Make we not just conclude say this person wayward. You see girl with pikin, not just conclude am like that. Sometimes many things dey wey cause am. So now I get my talk. If you get your own contribution, may you drop for the comment section. Na me, your sister, your friend, your girl, you know say nobody they know finish. If you get the matter take affect you, and not try talk, not be you I want talk of. Na true advice. Now many things they come out. You understand? Make you like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell. I see my next video. God bless you.